Let us start with the new chapter today. With the new chapter. Activity new chapter करना है.
Okay, sir.
New chapter.
New chapter.
Sir, chapter number.
Sir, which chapter?
Sir, please tell chapter number.
Yes, let me just see which chapter is left.
Good morning, sir. Lines and angles, triangle and
Lines and angles, I think we have done in the last term. I think we have done lines and angles in the last term.
so we have done lines and angles.
Yes,
Yes, sir, we have done.
we have done average also.
Yes, sir, we have done lines and angles. Yes, sir, we have done.
Sir, can we do circles?
No, just wait.
So we doesn't do the timetable chapter.
Hmm. Okay, let's start doing triangles and quadrilaterals.
Sir, please tell chapter number.
This is on page number 142.
Okay, sir. Chapter 18. Triangles and quadrilaters.
So on page number 143, open page number 143. Your notebook.
Sir, open.
Page. Sir, page number.
On 143.
Okay, sir.
On that page, you will see these three figures in your book. आपको ये तीन figures आपको दिखेंगे in book पर. Okay, these three figures. हाँ जी. So these are equilateral triangles, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. So write down the heading, types of triangles. Heading आपको लिखना है, and then first type equilateral triangle, second type isosceles triangle, and third type scalene triangle. Write down all the three types and then draw the figures in your notebooks. Okay.
Okay,
Heading
sir.
डाल लीजिए. Types of triangles heading डालिए और names लिखिए triangles के, equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle, and then draw the figure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Start doing it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we have to make those same in our notebook.
And you can, if you want to make a different figure, you make the same only. Make the same type of shape. Okay. Do you all know what are equilateral triangles and isosceles triangles? Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Draw it first.
So we have to write the ones that are given on page number 144 too.
Sorry, beta.
Sir,
Right.
on page number
Number 144,
144.
three more type of triangles are there. Right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. These three also you have to write and make the figures. Okay.
Sir, we have to make also.
Yes, draw the figures.
Okay, sir. Sir, first we will write the name of triangle, then draw.
Yes, yes. Bharat, keep your mic off. Bharat.
Okay, sir.
भरत, मैंने क्या बोला था भरत? I told you to keep
Yes,
your
sir.
mic on. मैंने बोला था keep your mic off.
Sir, I have done.
Very good.
So I have also make all of the three.
Okay. Let me explain all these things that you have done in your copy. So first, triangles and quadrilaters. This is the
Sir,
name
the
of the
first one, equatorial triangle. All three sides are marked with D.
Abhiyan, beta, listen.
Yes, sir.
Do you know? Do you know
What,
what?
sir?
I think you. I think you know. Do you know it or not?
What, sir?
You know it or not?
Sir, I know it. I
What?
know it.
What? What? Yes, you have understood the right thing. Yes, I know you know. And you can tell what.
Sir, I understood both the two triangles, but not the third one.
Okay, no problem. I will explain all of them. So first is in your book, when you see all the triangles, these are types of triangles. First topic, triangles के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. All the types of triangles we are studying. First is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? An equilateral triangle is that in which all the sides are equal. So if I name the triangle as ABC, that means the side AB is equal to the side AC is equal to the side BC. That means all the three sides of the triangle are equal. I hope you all have drawn all these figures and written everything in your copies. If you have done this,
Yes,
then
sir.
please
Yes, sir.
yeah, then please look at the board, everyone. मतलब board नहीं, board तो है नहीं आपके सामने तो screen है. Look at the screens. Board तो मेरे सामने है. Screen has converted into boards. Yes, Abhiyan is showing something. Abhiyan, you have drawn the figures. Very good, very good. Very good. अभियान बेटा एक बात सुनो. आपने बनाया तो बहुत मेहनत से है अभियान, बट आपकी साइड्स जो है वो अलग अलग लग रही है देखने में. शो मी योर फिगर अगेन, द शेप ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स. अभियान, दिखाओ बेटा, थोड़ा दूर से दिखाओ. कॉपी को रोटेट करो जरा 90 डिग्रीज. Yeah, so this is equilateral triangle. You have drawn the triangle, but these all the three sides should be equal. वो थोड़ी लेंथ अलग अलग लग रही है साइड्स की. Okay, so you should have made it with the pencil. चलो no problem, बाद में इसको सही करना. ठीक है. Aspa, can you show me your work? Yes, Aspa is showing. Wait a minute. Yeah. Aspa. First one is correct. थोड़ा सा है अंतर. Just a minute. Second one is very good. First one is also correct. थोड़ी सी एक साइड छोटी लग रही है बस मुझे. Third one is scalene triangle. In an scalene triangle, all the three sides are of different length. Okay, but in this scalene triangle, your one angle is looking 90 degrees, no problem in that also. Fourth one is absolutely correct, 90 degrees. Show me the fifth one. This is acute angle triangle, perfect. Obtuse angle triangle.
So we have only got three, but so we have to make six.
Very good, Ashwa. हाँ जी बेटा अभियान.
Ma'am, I have made
So
only
we
three.
have to make all the triangles now only.
All the six, yes. All the six. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Fourth is right angle triangle. Fifth one is acute angle triangle, and sixth one is obtuse angle triangle. So I will explain all of them. अच्छा पहले आप लोग draw कर लीजिए, then only I will explain. I think many of you are still drawing. So while you are drawing, just keep the following points in mind. मैं बता रहा हूँ ये बातें आप ध्यान रखिए. पहली बात तो पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करना चाहिए. I am sorry that I forgot to tell you that you have to draw it with a pencil. So that is my mistake. Second thing, in an equilateral triangle, you must draw all the sides equal. मतलब देखने में equal लगे exactly, तो आप शायद ऐसे नहीं बना पाएंगे. So all the sides should look equal. Second is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides should be equal. Third वाली थोड़ी छोटी बनाइएगा, and two sides which are larger in length, these should be equal. Okay. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, all the three sides should be different. तीनों की length अलग-अलग. Okay. Then right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, the important thing is that one angle should be of 90 degrees. Then acute angle triangle, all the angles less than 90. Acute angle triangle में सारे angle less than 90 होंगे. And finally, obtuse angle triangle, one angle will be more than 90 and other two will be less than 90. Okay. So these things you have to keep in mind while drawing. These are the main points. So is any one of you drawing with the help of a pencil, or you all are making with a pen?
Sir, I.
Hamza has drawn it with a pencil. Very good. So keep this in mind. Teacher will not tell you every time to draw it with a pencil. Automatically, whenever this should be programmed in your brains that whenever in any subject, whenever you are drawing something, draw it with a pencil only. Okay. Always keep this in mind. Yes, who's left? How many of you are still doing?
Sir, I.
So I am on fifth one.
Sir, I.
Abhiyan is doing.
Sir, sixth one is very tough to draw.
नहीं बेटा, जैसे बाकी सारे वैसे ही है।
Sir, I have done all.
Okay, so you all have done? Okay, so now I was explaining all the types of triangles, everyone. I hope everyone has done. Bhakti, you are taking so much time. क्या कर रही हो? उसमें कलर भी कर रही हो क्या भक्ति?
No, sir.
No, कलर तो नहीं कर रही हो. अक्षपा को हंसी आ रही है. कलर
Sir,
करने
I
वाली.
am on fourth one. Sir, I am on fourth one.
Akspa, is it cold today?
Yes, sir, it's pretty much cold.
It is cold. So you're wearing a jacket. Hmm. Your sister is attending her classes or not? Aida.
Sir, she is attending
Hmm.
regularly.
What about maths of class? She's in class 9th, na?
Yes, sir.
So is she liking maths of class 9th or not?
Sir, I'm not sure, but sir, I'm pretty sure that it is very hard.
Yes, that's the truth. That class 9th maths is very hard when you, but not that hard because when you go to higher classes you find it easy, but from class 8 to 9th there is a big change in the level, so that is why. So whenever you are free with your classes, you ask her about math, her classmate. Just take her opinion. And tell me in the next class what she said.
Okay, sir.
Bhakti, done or not? You're waiting for Bhakti to finish.
No, sir.
Which one
Sir,
you are
but
doing? Are you making the
Fifth one.
second one, Bhakti? You're making the second one or the first one?
Sir, fifth one.
Fifth, Abhi, still you are on the fifth one only. I thought you are making them again. And again, the second time you are on the second one. I thought this. So jaldi do it. Finish it fast. Others, all the others have done. भरत
Yes, sir.
भरत तो बोलता कुछ करना उसकी और दुनिया भर की आवाजें ज्यादा आती हैं। ब्रीज करने की आवाज आएगी भरत के, स्नीज करने की आवाज आएगी, कफ करने की आवाज आएगी भरत की, दुनिया भर की आवाज आती है। Am I right or not? Okay, I'm going to explain all these. First one. Okay, first one. Okay, मैं wait नहीं करूँगा. First one is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. It is must that all the three sides should be equal. देखिए मैंने जो figure draw किया है on the board. In this, all the three sides are looking equal. Main thing is that they should look equal. So AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. The side could be any of any length. In your book, they have made all the three sides of 6 centimeters each, but they could be of any length. If one side is 4, then all the three sides will be of 4 centimeters. If one side is 3 centimeters, all the three sides will be of 3 centimeters each. Okay. So this is an equilateral triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? Second one, isosceles.
Sir, the isosceles triangles are those that the two sides are same and one is not same.
Yes. Isosceles triangle. This two sides of the triangle are equal and one is different. So if the triangle is AB, any two sides could be equal. The side AB is equal to side AC. AB is equal to AC, and you can see that the length of BC is different. Okay. So if one of these two sides is 10, then this will also be 10 centimeters. Okay. If this is 10, the other will be also 10 centimeters. Third side could be of different length. It will not be 10. It could be 5, it could be 6, it could be 9, but it will not be 10. It could be more than 10 also.
Okay, sir.
10 से बड़ी भी हो सकती है, but it will not be equal to 10. अगर 10 होगी, then it will become an equilateral triangle, not an isosceles triangle.
And it can be 12 also.
It could be 12 also. 12, 13, 11. Okay. So if the third side is greater, then the triangle will look like this. Let me draw it on the board. If the third side is bigger, suppose this is the triangle. In this is also an isosceles triangle because here also the side AB is equal to the side AC. AB is equal to AC. Suppose these two sides are 6 centimeters each. Then this third side is greater. This would be of 9 centimeters. So this is possible. It is also an isosceles triangle. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one is scalene triangle. In a scalene triangle,
Because all sides are different.
all sides are of different length. Do I need to draw the figure on the board, or you have all have understood? Scalene triangle.
So we have understood.
We have understood.
Achha. Have you all studied all this in the previous classes also?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Arey, so I
Yes,
have.
sir, it's serious.
So we only know a little bit because, sir, it has right angled and, sir, acute angle, obtuse angle. So we have learned it in lines and angles chapter.
Achha, very good.
So we
I
know
can
a little
make.
bit.
I can make all these shapes like equator, triangle, isolate,
Sorry
triangle.
बेटा, सोहम क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
And I can make these things like isolate, triangle, equator,
Yes, you have to
triangle.
draw all this in your copies. The others, you have joined the class just now, or you were there from the starting? Soham, you have to draw all these things in your copies. Okay, all the shapes. It is there in your book 143, page number 143. Okay, write the heading types of triangles and then make all these. So in a scalene triangle, all the three sides are of different lengths. Suppose if this one is 4, this could be of 7 centimeters and this one could be of 8 centimeters. Okay, so you can see that all the three sides are of different length. So it is an scalene triangle. 4 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters. कोई भी length हो सकती है. Okay, but all different. The fourth one is a right triangle. Right triangle क्या होता है? Right triangle is that in which one angle is of 90 degrees. 90 degree angle सारे बच्चे जानते हैं. 90 degree angle. Do you all know this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ऐसे करके
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the angle between? Listen, all of you, carefully and answer.